What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Glad you guys are here. I'm about to make some vegetable juice. I'm about to make some carrot cucumber juice, but before I do, this video is going to be somewhat different. I'm going to explain it in a little bit, but let's go straight into the juice. There's a vegetable that I can have by itself. I know I added cucumber to this, but if there's a vegetable I can have by itself and juice it, it's carrots. I don't know, I just like the way it tastes. It's really good. I don't know if you guys have ever had it, but you should. A lot of you already started doing the celery juice thing and you bought a juicer. Go try some carrots. Go try some of those other vegetables at the grocery store that are neglected right now. And all the fame and glory is going to the celery. When we got other vegetables that will bring us a lot of benefits, such as silica, which everybody knows, well, not everybody, but they say that silica is very good for your brain, for your hair, for your nails, keeps your skin very well hydrated. It's really good for a lot of things, for the beauty, you know, if you want to look beautiful like me. We also got carrots, which are very good. A lot of people know it has beta carotene, which is very good for these. Oh, the summer's coming, guys. The summer's coming, and a lot of us are going to be going to the beach, and a lot of us are going to get sunburned, but we can prevent it with the carrots. That anytime you see like that orangey or that like strong color that comes out of a vegetable, all those colors, they help you protect. Just think about it like it's helping you protect yourself against the radiation from the sun. And we got that whole thing about making things with positive intentions. The more positive you make your things with, the easier it'll be to digest. That's my theory. I think it's true. Yeah, because like imagine trying to make something and you're like all like grumpy and like, oh, I don't even want to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. That stuff isn't going to settle well in your system. I don't think it will. These are my theories. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my juice and we're going to go upstairs and I'm going to explain what this video is all about. All right, guys. So I am leaving LA, but not for good. I will be coming back, but I will be moving eventually in a few months. I haven't talked about it in this channel yet, but I will. I will let you guys know where I'm going to. I won't give you my address because I don't want you guys to hunt me down. I'll be kind of creepy. I know there's stalkers out there and I don't want any of that up in my life. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be going back home to help my dad during tax season. He needs help and he doesn't know I'm going there, and I'm gonna get there and it's gonna be a surprise, I hope. Hopefully he's surprised. My dad doesn't show that much emotion, you know? He has really thick skin. I bet you I'm gonna arrive and I'm gonna walk into the house. He's gonna be like, what are you doing here? I think this is what he's gonna say. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what he's gonna say. But my mom knows I'm going, and the whole reason I told her is because I wanted my bed to be ready and have some food in the fridge that I like. So that's the only reason I told her. I was thinking, I was like, I wanna get home and I wanna surprise my mom and dad. But then I thought about it, I was like, I wanna go home and go straight to bed because I'm gonna get there really early and I'm leaving really late tonight. And I know if I wouldn't have told my mom, it would have sucked. It just would have sucked. Nothing would be ready. I won't be using the camera that I have right here, the 5D Mark IV, and all my lenses where I'm about to show you. I'm gonna be using this right here, the G7X Mark II. So content is gonna diminish a little bit, but don't be afraid, my friends. Don't be afraid. It's all about the person in front of the camera, which is me. That's the most valuable thing here, isn't it? If I were, technically, I am the most valuable thing here because according to Google, if I were to sell all my organs, it'll be worth a lot of money. Just saying, man. I wouldn't do that, but some people, I don't know, people go through extremities for money. I'm not like that. I'm not money hungry. So this is the camera I'll be using. At home, I'll probably continue to record some more recipes for you guys. My mom is a very good chef. She knows how to make arepas. So you're gonna see my mom's hands in the kitchen. You're gonna be like, whose hands are those? Those are my mom's. It's my mom's hands with the nail polish and all that. And I'm gonna be going to the gym. And yeah, guys, look, let me show you guys my equipment if you guys are interested. So this is my setup. My brother's back there. Say hi, Ronald. Got my lighting right here. I got my mics. I won't be using these mics. And I got my lenses right here. I got a 50mm. I got the 70 to 200 lens, which I still haven't, I only used it one time in the previous video. I got this one right here, which I rarely use, but when we first got our camera, we were using it because it was cool to zoom into stuff. But the aperture isn't good enough. That's why we got this baby right here. Can't wait to use this a lot more. I won't be taking it with me though. And we got the 16 to 35, which we've been using a lot. Most of my videos have been recorded with this lens right here. And there's the camera, the 5D Mark IV. And I use the Rode mic and the tripod. We have so much equipment, guys. It'd be cool to show you guys what other equipment I use that I'm not showing right here. Anyway, all right, let's go to the gym right now because I'm about to go. This is gonna be my last gym workout here in LA until I come back. So let's go. There we are. All right, guys, so I just took a shower and came to Veggie Grill. If you don't know what Veggie Grill is, it's the most epic food you'll ever have in your life. Just kidding. It's one of my favorite spots. That's what Ronald's right here.
Hello.
So yeah, I'm about to get some Veggie Grill. I've been asked in the past, like, what are my favorite places to go eat in here in LA?
Well, yeah, what's your number one?
Number one is Veggie Grill because they have a lot of variety. I can get tacos. I can get like an actual dish. I can get burgers. A whole bunch of good stuff. Might not be really healthy for you, to tell you the truth, but I just like it. Way too much. Yeah, way too much. I also like Real Food Daily, which is in like a real restaurant, like an actual restaurant where you have to go sit and dine. And that place has a lot of variety as well. I like it because it's fast.
And
you go in there.
These places are in LA.
Yeah, these places are here in LA, like in the Hollywood area. In Veggie Grill, there's a whole bunch of them here in I think in Southern California, there's a whole bunch of them. So I'm about to go get some food before my flight. I have like an hour and a half to spare. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna order. It's gonna be really good. Can I get a Far East bowl?
You got it. Sesame crusted chicken?
The sesame crusted chicken, yeah. The nachos. The Mondo nachos.
You got it. Grilled chicken or crispy chicken?
Crispy chicken. And also, let me get the tres fish tacos. Alright guys, I just made it home and my dad is sleeping. I could hear my mom blow drying her hair in the background. And it's 7:30. Got here kind of early because there was like an emergency on the plane. Paramedics had to come, but I'm about to see how my dad's gonna react. I don't know if I should record this or not. I don't know, we'll see.
¿Quién está tocando? ¿Abajo? Ah, ñato, ¿qué se hizo?
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. I do plan on making arepas with my mom, show you guys her recipe, which is pretty good. They're my favorite arepas, not because my mom makes them, but because they're actually really good. Yeah, so I'm about to take a shower, go to sleep, or not really go to sleep. I'm gonna just take a quick nap because I'm feeling pretty tired. Didn't really sleep that well on the plane. A lot of turbulence on the plane. It felt kind of weird, you know. I was like, had my eyes closed during the flight, and I wasn't really asleep, but you know when you're like kind of like awake and kind of asleep. I don't know. I was like in the middle. I don't know how to explain it, but I know you guys know what I mean. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.